This is Sulagna Singha Roy from Campus Technology Portfolio Company of Times of India Group. So, NAC related many queries are flying in your mind, I'm sure, institution who are due with NAC. And also you're worried that how new binary system, how you will cope, and there are many questions, I'm sure. So today I will show you that you can do it seamlessly, nothing to worry. So there is an assistant for you who will not take any break, who will not sleep, who will not fall sick, and absolutely that assistant will support you according to your requirement. Now let's see how that can be done. 1 minute, let me share my screen. So I think my screen is visible. So to get your assistant, what you have to do, basically you have to type in your browser campustechnology.me and enter. So here, as you can see, you can start for free. Then you can take a 7 days trial session and see what is happening. So I think there is you might be feeling that what exactly this assistant or what I'm showing, I'm talking about assistant and I'm showing a portal. Yes, your assistant is basically hiding here, which you can unveil, or you can get your assistant simply by with a very nominal price. But later on we will discuss about the pricing, because if you take a human assistant again, yes, you're right, I'm talking about your AI assistant. So for human assistant also you need to pay salary, and that is too much. But for AI assistant or generative AI agent, it will cost you very less, and it will work more than any other human assistant. So let me log in quickly from a demo account and show you that what I'm talking about. Yes. So as you can see, there are many things are there. So for example, being a IQC director or coordinator, you want to assign your criteria coordinators some task. So there are task assignment is there. So whenever you create the task, they will be able to log in and see their task, and you being an admin, you can always you can monitor that, and accordingly as a whole admin access will have like a proper understanding that what is happening, where is the gap. Now also many things, now you want to create for any forms or anything, so you ask your assistant to format the form or something like that. Nothing to worry, here you can see the forms are there. So if you click on forms, you can create your requirement forms and collect the data also. So and accordingly whenever it's collected, you will be able to see from your login also. And as you can see, there is okay, so you're worried about hostel or any mapping, then how that can be aligned with accreditation. So nothing to worry, here only you have another assistant. If you click on hostel, and you will be able to see, if you add the building, then you can see that what is happening. Now if you go to the hostel room allocation, you will be able to see that how many rooms has been already allocated, or how many rooms are left, how many buildings, so that will depend. But again, the number of buildings you create and the number of rooms or beds, that is up to you. You can have a proper monitoring, and also AI is there for you. So for any further question, please feel to contact us. Thank you.